This video explains Samsung One UI 8.5 hidden features in 2026, showing useful tools like screenshots, split screen, and circle to search. This hidden feature video explains everything step by step in a simple way. First is palm swipe screenshot. Open the settings app, then go to advanced features. Tap on motions and gestures and enable palm swipe to capture. Once it's turned on, you can take a screenshot just by swiping the edge of your hand across the screen. It works left to right or right to left in one smooth motion. No buttons needed, which makes it faster during daily use. Next is edge lighting notifications. Go to settings, then tap notifications and open notification pop-up style. Choose brief, then enter edge lighting style settings. Here you can select different effects like basic, glitter, hearts, fireworks, or echo. You can also customize colors, set them to match apps automatically, or even assign special colors to keywords. Advanced options let you adjust transparency and animation speed, so your phone feels more personal and stylish. The third feature is Developer Options Unlock. Open settings and scroll to About Phone, then tap Software Information. Find build number and tap it 7 times. After entering your PIN, you'll see a message confirming developer mode is enabled. Now a new Developer Options menu appears in Settings. This gives access to advanced controls like USB debugging, animation speed changes, and background system settings. It's powerful but should be used carefully. Fourth is Auto Factory Reset after failed attempts. Go to Settings, then Lock Screen and open Secure Lock Settings. After entering your PIN, you'll find the Auto Factory Reset option. When enabled, your phone will automatically reset after too many incorrect unlock attempts. It's a strong security feature, but make sure you understand it before turning it on. Fifth is Circle to Search. Open Settings, go to Display, then Navigation bar and enable Circle to Search. Now you can press and hold the Home button or Navigation bar on any screen. The display will dim slightly and you can circle, highlight or tap anything you want to search instantly. It works inside apps, photos and web pages, making searching much faster and smarter. Finally, there is Split Screen mode. Open an app, then go to Recent Apps. Tap the app icon at the top and select Open in Split Screen View. Choose another app for the bottom half. Now you can use 2 apps at the same time, such as chatting while browsing or watching videos while taking notes. These hidden features make Samsung One UI 8.5 more powerful, efficient, and easy to use in daily life.